Hi everyone, we are not in our regular office setting, as you can see from my background, but I wanted to let you know that in today's video, I am giving you a room tour of a hotel room that I had the pleasure of staying in at the end of June at the Quality Inn Dillon in Dillon, Montana, the Quality Inn I-15 in Dillon, Montana. I hope you enjoy it and find it helpful. The hotel was really nice, and it's a great little budget-friendly option for anyone who might be budget conscious. They had a complimentary breakfast in the morning where you can get scrambled eggs or make waffles, yogurt, coffee, tea, all the things, bacon. It was a very good little continental breakfast that they offered. They are pet friendly, they're family friendly, and the parking on property is free for people who are staying at the hotel. So I hope you enjoy the room tour video, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.